Hi there, welcome back to our Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about PERQ, which is basically a platform which allows you to get more leads at a low cost thanks to the data-driven PPC management, cross-channel conversation AI, and other tools that they give you to do so. First of all, you can see that the headline is very clear, and this subheadline explains everything very in a very transparent way, which is good. Then they've also got the option for you to watch a video to schedule a demo straight away, which is good for helping the prospect to make a good decision. And here they go more in depth about how it works and how many tools are available to you. Here we've got a instant element of credibility in terms of the number of brands that have worked with this platform. And this is good to give the prospect reassurance about um, the credibility of this platform. And here you can also go and read more case studies if you want to, which are good in order to make the prospect imagine what working with this company would feel like. Here we also got a really beautiful form of social proof in terms of this high value testimonial, and also about the title of the person given it and a company that they work from. And it's good because it talks about how Perk has revolutionized the lead engagement and conversation conversion. Okay, so this is good credibility. Here there are more stats about why you should consider using it, like reducing your cost per lead by 80% and getting clarity into which source the leads are coming from. Here even more stats about why this is a really good platform. And then here we also got more testimonials, and this is really good. Once again, talking about how they see more qualified traffic that converts at much higher rates, which is good. And you can go and read more of them if you want. Again, here talks about how you can integrate it with many other tools if you want, which is good for people that want that option. And that is basically the end of the website. One thing I would say is potentially could have added a frequently asked question at the bottom of the page in order to handle any objection that a prospect might have. Also, they could have added a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins by uh, offering any kind of lead magnet. And then if we go and click on schedule a demo, we can see that they got a nice and short, relatively short contact form, which is good. And they give you more stats about why you should consider joining the software. And the beautiful thing that they've got is more credibility stories and testimonials right underneath the sign up page to psychologically influence the prospect to make that decision, which is good. And so this therefore takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Other than that, I hope that you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.